Did you know you can make money right now by creating presentations on Fiverr using Gamma's AI tools? Yes, you heard me right. It's quick, simple, and works better than doing everything manually. In this video, I'll guide you on how to make money on Fiverr using Gamma. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we discuss everything about AI and online tools. In case you're new here, kindly support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Feel free to leave your comment in the comment section and let me know if you have any AI tool you want me to make video about. In case you don't know, I have been compiling a list of AI tools that would help streamline your daily workflow. The link is in the description below. Check it out. Now, let me show you how to make money with Gamma and Fiverr. So follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. The first step is to create your Fiverr freelancer profile for free. Go to fiverr.com, click Join and register. As you can see, there are hundreds of freelancers making money designing presentations. You can do the same, but 100 times faster with AI. Step 2. Create a new gig. Now it's time to publish your offering and let it be seen by over 4.2 million active buyers worldwide using Fiverr. Add a title, add relevant keywords, set up pricing, and you're ready to go. Step 3. Start getting orders. Using Gamma, you can create presentations in 30 to 40 seconds, where the average freelancer will do in 3 to 4 hours. Just request the information from the customer, enrich it using AI, and send it back to him in no time. To use Gamma is free, so click on the link in the description below and start creating your presentation, and in return, bring in the cash.